Hi, I'm Gillian Salmon. I'm a registered dietitian with Horizon Health, and I am here as part of Horizon's Summer Safety Series, talking about hydration. One way that you can stay hydrated during the hot days is by making foods that have a lot of water in them, like fresh fruits and veggies. So something that we are making today is a veggie and hummus sandwich. And this is something that you can take with you on a picnic. You can pre-cut all the ingredients if you want and keep them in the fridge so you can make it quick and easy. If you have any younger people who you live with, they can help you cut up or prepare some of the ingredients. And yeah, it's a really easy, quick recipe that doesn't heat up your kitchen in the hot days and is really delicious. So we're gonna start with whole wheat bread, and then we've got hummus. So you can use any kind of spread that you want, but I love hummus, so we're gonna use hummus. Big old scoop of it. And then we have lots of good veggies here. So we've got sliced up cucumbers for nice crunch. We've got sliced up peppers, and these, I mean, cutting these up in advance and just having them in your fridge as a quick snack is also a great idea. We have shredded carrot. We've got half an avocado for some good fats. Perfect avocado. Just mash these in here. Got a little bit of lettuce. I picked some from my garden the other day, but it was not as lovely as this. Then I'm gonna put a little hummus on the other side too, just to keep everything stuck together. And if you want, you can add like a hard-boiled egg that you cut up. You can add some chicken, you can add cheese, you can add some tofu. I mixed some tofu with some mayonnaise and made kind of a tofu salad. So really the sky's the limit with this. And then pop it all together and you got a good sandwich. Great to take on the go, great to have for lunch with some of your other cut up veggies. So there's your cool summer lunch.